Everyone, in lecture 4 of unit 5, and in last lecture we have designed a Turing machine for language a raised to power n, b raised to power n, and the logic for designing this Turing machine is to make a blank from left corner and make a b blank from right corner. We make a blank, then move to the right by reading all A's, then all B's, then we will get a blank. Suppose we have a input triple A, triple B on the tape, and then there are blank symbols. So we start from this A, we make this A blank, then we read all A's and leave it as it is unchanged, then read B's, move to the right corner. Here we get a blank, and by reading blank we leave it as it is and move to left to this position, and here we read a B and make this B as blank using this transition. Now we read B and A's and move to the left till the blank we already did here. We move by reading B as it and leaving it unchanged, then B, then A, then we reach to this blank symbol and we move to the right direction. Now on moving to right we will get another A and we will convert this A, then we will get more A's and B's and reach to the right corner, then we get a B in the right, A in the left. Now this is A, making this A blank here, then reading more A's, then reading B's, reach to this corner, then move to the left, we will get B and convert this B as blank here. Now again we get more B's and more A. Now we are moving toward the left corner, reading B's, reading A's and move to the left corner, and here again we get a blank here, and in the right of blank we will get a and convert this A into blank and move forward to the right corner, moving forward to the right corner and getting blank, moving to the left. In the left of this blank we will get B, converting this B into blank and moving to the left, and moving to the left we will get the left corner, and in the right of this blank we will not get A. Now in the right of this blank we will not get A, we will get blank again and we will reach to the halt state. Now how we do it formally? Formally we have a input this, and we start from start state say 1 and cursor is at this position. Now from start A, reading A, what we do, we convert this A into blank and moving to right. Here we convert this A into blank and moving to right. Now cursor is here and we reach to state 2. We reach to state 2 and input remains as. Now at state 2 we read A, leave and convert this A into A only, we are not changing, and moving to right and reach to state 2. Here we move to right and remains at state 2. Now again we are at state 2 reading A, state 2 reading A, moving to state 2 again and leave it unchanged. So here we move to this position, state remain 2 only. Now reading B at 2 and leaving it unchanged. So here we reach to, by reading this B we reach to this B here and statement 2. Now again we are at state 2 and reading B. So it remains B only and we remains at state 2 only. And cursor move to this position, we remains at state 2. Now at state 2 we are reading B again. So we move to the right and remains at state 2 and B remains unchanged. So it is, we reach to this position and at state 2 only. Now at state 2 we read a blank, leave it blank only and move to the left and state is changed to 3. So here B move to the left and state become 3. Now at state 3 we read B and converting this B into blank. So here we are converting this B into blank and moving to the left to this B and we reach to state 4. State become 4 and input remains like this. Now at state 4 we read more B and B remains B and we move to left and reach to state 4. So here we reach to left, state remain 4. Now again we read B at state 4, we move to left and B remain unchanged. We reach to this place and B remain unchanged. Now at state 4 we are at state 4 only due to this loop. Now we read A at state 4 and we have to remain at state 4 only and moving to the left. So here we move to the left and state remain 4. Now we read A at state 4, we remains at state 4 only and move to the left. We move to the left and remains at state 4 only. Now at state 4 we read blank. What we do, we leave it blank and move to right and reach to state 1. Now here we leave this blank as it is and move to right, reach to state 1. Now at state 1 reading A is just similar to very first transition. Reading at state 1 reading A, making it blank and move to right. So here reading A, converting this A into blank and moving to right and remains at and move to state 2. By reading this A we are converting it into blank, moving to right and reach to state 2. So their state is 2 only. So now at state 2 reading A remains unchanged and move to right. B remains at state 2. Now reading B at state 2, B remain unchanged and move to right. Now reading B at state 2, B remain unchanged and moving to right. Now at state 2 we read a blank. Now what we need to do, leave it blank and move to left and move to state 3. So here we move to left from blank, cursor reach to this, read write had reached to this place and we change state to 3. Now at state 3 we read a B, convert to blank and move to left. Now convert this B blank and move to left there, and we reach to state 4 from state 3. Now at state 4 we read B, remain unchanged and move to left. Now at state 4 reading A, leave it unchanged and move to left, and we remains at state 4. At state 4 we read blank and move to, leave it blank, move to right and move to state 1. Now here we reach to this place and reach to state 1. Whenever we get 1A, we complete 1A 1B, we reach to state 1 again. We reach to state 1 again. Now we have 2A 2B, here we have 3A 3B, here we have 1A 1B. Now at state 1 we read A, convert it into blank and moving to right, and convert this A into blank and moving to right and change state to 2. At state 2 we read B, remain B only and move to B and move to right, and the state remain 2 only. Now at state 2 we get a blank, so we leave this blank as it is and move to the right, move to the left of this blank and convert state to 3 here. So here we get a blank, leave it blank, move to left and reach to state 3. So here we reach to state 3. Now at state 3 we get a B. What we do? We convert this B into blank and move to right. Now cursor is to move to left and cursor is to this place, and we are at state 4. Now by converting this B into blank we reach to state 4. Now at state 4 we are not getting A and B because we are at last position. We getting blank at state 4. What we do? At state 4 on reaching blank, reading blank, at state 4 by reading blank we leave this blank as it is and move to right and move to state 1. So here we move to the right of this blank, and we reach to state 1. And at state 1 now we are not getting any A and any B. It's like we are getting 0A and 0B at state 1. Here 1A 1B, here at state 1 3A 3B, then at state 1 we are reaching to state 1 again when we get 2A 2B, then 1A 1B, and at last 0A 0B. Now here we are not getting A and B, we are getting we move to the right of this blank, now we are not getting any A and any B, we are getting blank again. At the right of blank we are getting blank again. So what we do? Leave it blank and reach to halt state. So here we move to the right and reach to state 5, that is halt state. So this is accepted. Here. So we do it in a step by step procedure by writing this state as per the transition of the transition diagram or TM, and at the last step we reach to state 5, it means it is accepted. Now you can check for the inputs like 4A 4B, 3A 2B, and this. You will reach to some state that is not halt state, it will rejected, and it will accepted. Check these for these input. That is all for this lecture. Thanks for attending.